What if the future of artificial intelligence could change the way we communicate, create, learn, and even interact with technology itself? Envision a world where AI is not just a tool, but a collaborator, a creative partner, and even a teacher. This is not a distant dream, but a rapidly approaching reality, thanks to the advancements in AI technology like GPT-3.5. GPT-3.5 offers a myriad of benefits that could shape our future in ways we have yet to fully comprehend. One of the most significant contributions of GPT-3.5 is its potential to enhance communication. Through its ability to generate human-like responses, GPT-3.5 is paving the way for more natural, engaging interactions between humans and computers. This smoother collaboration can save valuable time for content creators, marketers, and professionals across various industries. GPT-3.5 is not just an effective communicator, it's also a creative assistant. It can brainstorm and generate innovative ideas, aiding writers, designers, and innovators in the ideation process. Imagine having an AI that could help you think outside the box. Language barriers? GPT-3.5 is here to break them down. It can assist in language translation and localization, making global communication more accessible than ever before. Speaking of accessibility, GPT-3.5 can contribute to making technology more inclusive. By enabling natural language interfaces for various applications, GPT-3.5 can help people with disabilities engage with technology in a more intuitive and user-friendly way. In the realm of education, GPT-3.5 shines as a personalized educator. It can provide tailored educational content, assisting learners in understanding complex concepts and enhancing their overall learning experience. Customer service is another area where GPT-3.5 can make a significant impact. It can enhance automated customer service, providing quick and helpful responses to inquiries and improving overall customer satisfaction. In the healthcare sector, GPT-3.5 could be a game changer. It has the potential to assist healthcare professionals by summarizing medical literature, aiding in diagnostics, and simplifying patient communication. GPT-3.5 can even revolutionize storytelling. It can create interactive and personalized storytelling experiences, changing the way narratives are crafted and consumed. Finally, in the field of research, GPT-3.5 can assist researchers and professionals by exploring vast amounts of information, facilitating discovery and advancements in various fields. In essence, GPT-3.5 can revolutionize communication, creativity, and efficiency. It's not just about what AI can do for us, but how it can change our relationship with technology and the world around us. The future of AI is not just about more advanced machines, but about a more connected, creative, and inclusive world. The future of AI is GPT 3.5.